Let me introduce my newest invention, Pan-Slavic Beta Keyboard Layout. So basically, you just need one keyboard layout to type all the Slavic languages which is written in Cyrillic script. No matter you want to type Ruski язык or Ukrainska mova, you only need one keyboard layout. And you can also use it to type Serbian. For example, the Serbian name Djokovic. Sorry. You just need one keyboard layout. Not only you can use it to type different Slavic languages, you can also use it to type the same languages in the old orthography. For example, in the old Russian orthography, the word orthography was orthografia. And nowadays, the word is still used, but the spelling is something like this. Orthografia. So, before 1917, it was something like this. And also, nowadays, the word vidение and vidение are also written as this way. But in the past, if you want to say vidение, it's something like this. If you want to say vidение, it should be something like this. And of course, there's a difference between mir in the past, which means peace. You can also write it in this way, which means the world instead. But nowadays they are all like this, mir. But in the past, you can tell which one is which. The one on the left means peace, and the one on the right means the world. You can also use the keyboard layout to type with some other characters. For example, the character Ijica. And also it is used in the word mira. And nowadays it is mira, but you get the idea. You can also use it to type Macedonian, which has some obscure characters like this one and this one. Since I don't know this language, so I cannot really give you some examples. If you know about that, you'll know that every single letter in Bulgarian also exists in Russian, so it's not a problem to type any words in Bulgarian. Like, for example, in this example sentence, Kde, sorry, Kde, Gredesh, Milo, Chedo. Kde, Gredesh, Milo, Chedo. As you can see, every single letter is also used in Russian. But what if I want to type it in the old orthography before 1945? You can also do it as well. Kde gredesh, milo chedo. So they mean the exact same. The only difference is the orthographical difference. And the latter one is used before 1945. So if you're a freak about old languages or old spellings, this keyboard layout must be something you really like. And you can also use it to type Old Church Slavonic, like you can use it to type this character, which means odd. And also, you can use it to type some very rare characters, sacred looking manuscripts, like when they talk about eyes, orca, I suppose, if I remember correctly. Usually it looks like something like this, but they wanted to make the O to look more like an I, so they wrote it something like this instead. So what if you have two eyes? Then they had a character for this, or this one as well. What if someone who has a lot of eyes? So there is a character which refers to the multi-eyed seraphims. the seraphims, which had a lot of eyes. So it was something like this: Serafimi, Nogo, Nogo Ochiti. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly because it is Old Church Slavonic, but it is written like this, and it is also possible to type this very character using my keyboard layout without any problems. The only problem is to show it, you need the correct font, and sometimes my keyboard layout doesn't work with some programs which uses the alternate key as a shortcut key. So maybe you could help me to test the program, the keyboard layout, and if you're interested, you can download it from the link below the description. And there is also a README file, and please read it as well. Please like the video, share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.